Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to do a GitHub code review. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here. This is the main page where in the upper right corner, we're going to have two buttons: log in to go ahead and log into your account, or sign up if you do not already have an account. If you do not have an account, create a new one, and once you have an account, you want to log in. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can take a look at all our info, such as our repositories right here. We have our home page and the home icons we can access and manage, and now we can get started. So basically guys, how to do a GitHub code review. As you can see right here on the official page of GitHub, there is an option to show us how to do a GitHub code review. Basically, this is the pull option. How do you do a pull option? Well, you want to open up the repository that you want to do the GitHub code review for, and as you can see guys, now here we can take a look at the branches and so on. And basically, to do a pull review, as you can see here, we have pull requests in the upper corner, and as you can see currently we have no pull request. So what you can do guys is create a pull request. Clicking new pull request is going to enable you to go ahead and start using a code review. Here you can enter in your comments that you can go ahead and create a pull request for any repository that you wish that you have, and after that you can go ahead and get started sending it, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.